tired today. I feel like doing something new. So I'm on my way to my favorite scrapyard. You know, the one with all the monster trucks. I'm literally just going there to see what they have. I have no purpose for going there. I just want to go see other vehicles. Because I don't feel like working yet this morning, but it is warming up. It's actually -1. Woohoo! So let's go see what we can find in the scrapyard first. And then I guess we'll go to the shop. And here we are. Look at that yellow crew cab square body. That thing's been sitting there forever. Oh look, monster truck sitting out front. Ha! I love that thing. That thing's so cool. Yeah, what kind of scrapyard has that? Love this place. All right. We're gonna start in the bottom. There's 2 different scrapyards in the bottom and then one big one up top. And I've never got a chance to go through the guys at the bottom, but that's who's emptying my shop. So now we get to have a visit and see what they got. A lot of Fords. Ooh, bump side Fords. They're hoarding bump side Fords. And an El Camino. What else we got? Oh, there's stuff there. Yeah, this is the Volkswagen section. Little Toyota. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, it's out of control here. All right. I believe this is Dead or Alive. Holy. Look at that. Check this thing out. A Honda Civic on a 4x4 chassis. They got some crazy stuff here. Look at that, for sale. 250-307-2462. Alright, I'm gonna have a snoop. Look at that. A bubble window Capri. And a dually Ford.
Yeah, Chevy square body thing.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. Single.
Oh, and it's 3/4 ton.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, I think for Hudson's.
Yeah, I do. I got a weakness for Hudson's.
Oh, yeah?
A real live terraplane. Look at that front end. We have a Hudson Hornet. And I've never seen anything like that. Check out the wiper setup. Isn't that cool? There's a whole bunch of old Capris here. Lots of Thunderbirds. There's an entire collection of Superjet Hudsons back there. Quite a few square bodies. Oh, nice clean Ram Charger over there. Check out this satellite. Haha, that's cool. So many cool things in this yard. I found a limo back there, all buried in snow. All right, that's just one yard. Look at that nice clean square body. Nice color. Ooh, propane. Yeah. General grabbers on it. What a cool little build. I see that. Yeah. That's awesome. Look at that.
Yeah.
A Canyon all jacked up.
Yeah, square body axles in it.
So is that 3/4 ton in the front?
Nope. still have to.
Okay. Oh yeah, they're 6-bolt.
Just yeah, a little 10-bolt front diff.
A cool looking truck.
Yeah, we got a Dana 60 and a Dana 84. Just so we can go up to like a 44.
Yeah.
These are 37s, and that little 10-bolt's not gonna like them too much.
No. Yeah, it looks nice. I like it.
Yeah.
Travel. And a Ventura. International.
57. This is a good size.
What is it? A Pontiac?
Yeah. They like pizza?
Oh yeah.
Fender stuff.
I'm guessing by that logo. Oh, that's so cool.
We got the cluster and everything.
No kidding. Wow. Oh, look at the old Jag. Sweet. Oh, this looks like fun. That's awesome. Really nice, clean 4-eyed Mustang.
That's a Toyota.
That is. A B2200 short box. All sorts of fun stuff around here. No dent fender, but there's no rust in that. Well, I guess the roof is a little questionable.
Just like 3/4 inch of Bondo under it.
Probably been rolled. Never seen that before. There's so many short boxes here, it's crazy. That's a Ford step side. There's a short box Chevy step side up here. Look at that. Early 80s Ford short box. My goodness. So that was one scrapyard. Down, that's the bottom one. There must be between 50 and 100 Fords from like 67 to 79. And now we're going into Big Bob's scrapyard. Yeah, the scrapyards are growing out into the neighboring fields. Holy, look at all the snowmobiles and ride-on tractors. Wow. Oh yeah, there's a little short box Chevy. A lot of you guys might think those are junk because they're beat up and rusty and all that stuff, but that's Canada. You gotta take whatever you can get in Canada or you import it from the US. Oh, you got the welcoming committee. Dogs everywhere. Excuse me, guys. A Doberman and a Pit Bull, I think. They're all kind of mixed breeds. Alright. Oh, mint little S10 back there. Oh, yes, he's got a square body lineup. There we go. Look at all the square bodies. Suburbans, Blazers, crew cabs, and some boggers. So much fun stuff. More boggers. Oh, look at that, a Charger. Covered in mud. Chrysler 300. Wow, pretty clean. You never know what you're going to find here. It's insane. Now That's a beauty. Well, that's enough horsing around. I guess I should do something. So I'm back at the shop. Do you know how excited I get when I open the door and I see that, and I look around and I see that, and just everything I've dreamed of working on, and I don't even have to move them. They're all here. It's like my second family. So I have a little dilemma with this thing. All the lights on this side work, headlight, signal, marker. None of them work on that side. Took that headlight out and plugged it in over here, but the headlight works. So I started snooping around and I found someone had made a big old mess of the wiring. They're wiring in this, and you know, they had an alarm, and they had, I can't remember, they had a whole bunch of crap wired into this thing. So it's only 7 wires, and they're all easy to match up. So I'm just going to snip this harness off that goes along here. And I already stole one out of one of my parts blazers that's just factory original. So I think that's the solution, is wire that in. And I found bolts for the roof so that I can tighten it up and seal it so it doesn't leak. But the seal's not sitting in correctly, so I need to hand lifting that. And yeah, we have windshield in this thing. We have wipers. Very close. It was missing a couple of bolts on the back manifold for some reason, so it had a big exhaust leak. So that is solved. And I still have the bottom of the dipstick is broken off in the hole, which I'm having a tough time getting it out. So I'm puttering right now. Let's just get this wiring done and see if we got lights. Well, it's raining now, but I got it done just in time, and it worked. All the lights work. Yay. So it's all back to factory. We have a factory harness. Spectacular. Uh-oh. I think I burnt out that bulb. It was working earlier. Anyway, it's raining. I'm going home. Calling it a day.